Welcome back to Yummy Cooking with Joy. Today I'm making a pumpkin French toast casserole, a dessert you can have for breakfast or brunch, perfect for the fall season. So go ahead, have fun with this breakfast style dessert and enjoy the video. I'm using 10 to 12 slices of slightly stale bread, a cup of almond milk, and half a cup of coconut milk. Now you can use any milk of your choice. And we're going to start to make our custard. I ended up using a can of pumpkin instead of half a can. And just make sure your oven's on 350 or 375 at this time. You can also use white sugar. I'm using maple syrup because it just tastes better to me. And add your vanilla in. I forgot. I started to mix and I totally forgot. Now I have to add it in. And if you have a hand mixer, go ahead and use it because you have to mix this for a few minutes. Or a blender, fruit product, whatever works for you. I could not find my baking dish that I normally use for casserole, so I had to use this and it ended up working out just fine. Cut your bread, rip your bread, whatever you prefer. And we're just going to pour our pumpkin custard over our bread and just let it soak it up nicely. And you can leave this overnight, let it soak overnight, but I prefer to do it this way. And I'm making the topping crumble or stirred or whatever you want to call it, but this is how I make mine. And I'm using walnut. You can leave the nuts out or you can use pecan. You know, it's your choice. And I'm using butter just to make the crumble. And do this for just a minute or so, just to get everything nice and crumble. And we're going to go ahead and spread this all over our French toast casserole. And we're going to cover it for the first half an hour and then uncover it so it can, you know, you can get that golden brown color. And if you want to keep it a bit longer than that, it all depends on your oven. You'll see, because this is how mine came out and this is how I liked it. If you want it darker, that's fine. As you can see, we got into it while it was hot. And you can serve it with maple syrup, make your own pumpkin syrup, a bit of caramel, and just enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed the video.